This is it. 7 rainy days in the wild green mountain. Let's go! My boots are already soaked, but this forest is magical. Okay, this is not a drizzle. This is a full-on mountain shower. Temporary shelter, courtesy of Mother Nature. Cozy, right? Woo! Tent versus wind. I'll give you one guess who's winning right now. It's a little soggy, but survival rice counts, right? If I make it through this thunder night, I deserve chocolate.
This view, this peace, this is why I came.
Okay, no broken bones yet. We're good. Straight from the mountain, nature's energy drink. This log is my runway right now. Wish me luck. Hello! Did you hear that? That echo gave me chills. This leaf? My new umbrella, jungle style.
Shh, you guys, there's a deer right there. So peaceful.
This fog feels like walking through a dream, kind of spooky, kind of epic. Kind of epic. Nothing beats mountain rainwater, filtered naturally. Look what I found, wild berries. Yes, I checked they're safe. Not a care in the world right now. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, I could do this forever. Day 2 down, my body's tired, but my heart feels full. Good morning, or should I say, rainstorm part 2. Wet wood is my worst enemy right now. Come on, spark. This is unreal. It's like finding a secret from the mountain itself. Run! Oh! This rain has no chill today. Tiny bites only. This bar's gotta last till sunset. Every step burns, but this climb is totally worth it. This little guy just hopped into my campsite. So cute. Sometimes survival means knowing when to rest. Did you hear that? That wasn't my imagination, right? Trying to stay dry in a rainforest is a full-time job. Well, that was graceful. Mountain 1, Romy 0. Trying to capture the mood before my sketchbook gets soaked. It feels like I'm hiking through the sky right now. Ooh. Ooh. They say these woods whisper to those who camp alone. Not again. I just dried my socks. I feel like I just stepped into Jurassic Park. DIY rain collector, courtesy of Desperate Survival Girl.
If anything's listening, ooh, I hope my singing sends them running.
Who needs a luxury spa when you've got mountain mud? Breathing in peace, breathing out everything else. Look at these mushrooms. They're bigger than my hand. Oh! This view? Totally worth every single muddy step. This icy water is better than coffee right now. Oh. If you're scared of bugs, this trip is not for you. This baby's been my best friend in the mud today. Woo! Day 5. The rain won't stop, but neither will I. Can you even see me through all this fog? Okay, I give up. Let it rain, baby. Nature's umbrella, 100% biodegradable. Still standing, still smiling. Bring it on.
Shh. I think this cave might be safe for tonight.
This tree saved me from the storm. Look at this. Everything's soaked. Fog's rolling in fast now. I use leaves to collect fresh rainwater. So cool, right? Boots are soaked again. Nature really wants to keep me humble. Told you I'd invent jungle-style umbrellas. That thunder? Yeah, I felt it in my chest. Okay, legs are burning, but that view, totally worth it. I think these are edible. Guess I'm going for it. These boots are my only real protection right now. They've taken a beating. Like nature's reset button. This flask made it from a bamboo stalk I found yesterday.
Look at this little visitor. Even in the storm, life finds a way.
Who said survival can't be fun sometimes? Just don't slip. Nature's spa treatment. Ooh. The wind's picking up. Gotta find a good shelter before it gets worse. Not the most glamorous umbrella, but hey, it works. This hollow log might be home for the night. Wish me luck. Little tricks to feel safer. Rocks here could block wind or little creatures. This forest feels like something out of a fairy tale. Just quieter, wetter, and way more real. Okay, no gym needed. Mother Nature's obstacle course is free and muddy. Waking up to rain tapping on the tent, it's honestly the coziest alarm clock.
You don't just hear the rain here, you feel it everywhere.
This river is wild today, super loud, but also kind of energizing.